When you first set up 3ds Max, it is important to adjust some key preferences. These changes will apply to the entire program, not just one project. First, access preference. Go to Customize, Preference. Here you will find several tabs with different settings, but we will focus on the most important ones. Undo levels. The default is 100, which means you can go back 100 steps if you make mistakes. This is useful in 3D work since it's common to undo many steps. If your computer has limited memory, you can reduce this number to save resources. Convert local file path to relative. This is off by default, but you should turn it on. These settings helps 3ds Max store file location relative to your project. It makes your project portable. So if you move to the project or change its name or link to assets will still work. If this off, 3ds Max might not find your assets later. Display drivers. This controls how the program shows objects in the viewports. You should keep it set to the highest direct 3D version your hardware supports. For example, if you have a powerful video card like NVIDIA GTX 1080, you can use Direct 3D 11. If you ever have display issues like flickering or corruption, first update your video card drivers from the manufacturer side. If that doesn't work, you can change the driver setting here, but only in rare cases. The display driver called Nitros is responsible for displaying object and image in the viewports. It is best to keep this at the highest level of Direct 3D that your hardware supports. If you encounter display issues, try updating your hardware driver first. If problem persists, you can change the display driver setting to a lower version or even a software driver. By default, the help files are hosted online at the Autodesk website. If you need them installed locally, which is in a studio without internet access, you can download them and set 3ds Max to use local help files.